from doing barely hitting 140s to I instantly jumped up to 145 and now I'm pushing 150s.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
For sure.
I don't know what's in here, but I'm about to find out.
Not where it's supposed to be right now. One of his channels is there.
It is. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. YouTube JacobViral, I do a lot of YouTube videos. How you doing, man?
Oh, doing good.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
So, name's Taylor Nero. I have two ZVX V215s on a Tarimp MD8K. I got a bunch of concrete audio back there on a RP 150.4. Blew the channel out of it this morning.
Okay. Did you build the box?
No, it's one of the GP Audio glue and screw boxes.
Okay. Nice. And you took your back seat out to get more pressure?
Yep.
Did you tell a big difference taking it out?
Huge difference.
Awesome.
I went from doing barely hitting 140s to I instantly jumped up to 145 and now I'm pushing 150s.
Awesome. Sounds like you've done some work. Getting louder. All right. What's your tuning on that box?
30.
30. Okay.
Yep. Once I get the channel that amp fixed and get a little bit more power to it,
Yeah.
because that wall that's in his car over there was my old wall.
Really? Oh, okay.
And I just put this in and then I knew the amp was going out. It's an old amp, so.
Yes, sir. Nice job. Looks good.
Thank you.
Can I see under the hood real quick? It's already open.
Yep.
Yeah, nigga, y'all motherfuckers slow down, non-snorters, non-smokers, non-sippers, get the fuck up out of here, bitch. Niggas some sipping ass, pouring up ass, smoking ass, getting high ass, nigga, get 3-6. GK, nigga, we put it down in this motherfucker. And we ain't playing with you. Y'all motherfuckers from the school, now pull it up, nigga.
Good balance too.
Yeah, once I get the channel that amp fixed and get a little bit more power to it, yeah. Because that wall that's in his car over there was my old wall. Really? Oh, okay. But I just put this in, and then I knew the amp was going out. It's the old amp, so.
Yes, sir. Nice job. Looks good.
Thank you.
Appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Taylor.